What's up, guys? Dynamic Trades again for a daily recap. So today I made a huge mistake, and yeah, I'll go over that in a little bit, but I'm down $232, so I basically gave my profit back from yesterday. Yeah, it wasn't a real good day for me. As you can see here, I'm only up 35.84 on the account, so I'm still up on the account, but yeah, I just made pretty dumb decisions today. You know, rushing trades, not waiting for quality setups, and you know, I went over my mistakes and I realized what I did. And this is a paper account, so you know, I'm still in the learning curve, so it's okay. I learned from my mistakes, but I'll go over the first trade. So pre-market PPBT right here. I fell for this. I don't usually trade stuff that is under the VWAP, but this candle was a pretty high volume candle, so I fell for this. False breakout right here. So I put in 820 shares at 257. So just as it was about to pop up, because that was a current high, so I seen it go past this candle, so I put in a buy order for 257. Got failed, did a false breakout, and it flushed all the way down, and I got out at 247, so that was a 10-cent loss there. And then I should have just called it there, but I traded with my emotions and not with my head, and I wasn't thinking. Now I think back and I'm like, why did I do that? But you know, it's totally okay. And this one, let me remember correctly where exactly I traded it, but it wasn't a good one as well. So let me see. I traded this, so I was red on it. I went green, and then I should have just stopped there and took my loss. But I traded it again, and you know, ended up going more in the hole. So you know, it is what it is. You know, learn from your mistakes, and this is why you're paper trading. Let me see here where it was. 27. This one was. Yeah, so this one was, let me see where it was. Sorry, I screenshotted where it was at. I think it was farther this way. No, where was it at? What's this might have been pre-market as well. I think it was. Wait, where was this at? Yeah, it was pre-market. Let me find out where exactly it was at. Sorry. Yeah, so it was right here. So it wasn't. It was just, it popped up on the scanners a little late, and yeah. So it was really volatile. And wait, is this where I was at or no? Let me see. Hold on one second. Sorry, I'm trying to figure this out exactly where I was at. No, it was right here. Sorry, figured it out. So yeah, it was dry all pre-market, and it popped up on the scanners, and I decided to trade it. So it was popping up, the highest it hit was 1650. So I tried getting in on this 1 minute pullback right here, bought in at 159. That failed. It didn't end up retesting the high, so I fell for that. I fell for that 1 minute pullback, which was kind of stupid in my opinion, but it's okay. So I ended up selling. I was trying to see if this other candle would reversal, but no. So I ended up selling at way down here. I think at 148, or where was it? I think it was down here, more somewhere over here. I don't know. So I held it way too long. I should have just cut my losses. So I understand that. I went over it, and you know, it is what it is. And then I tried again. I believe it was, yeah, this one right here. So this 1 minute candle to make a new high, I bought into, no wait, 150. Where was it at? It was somewhere right here. 150. Yeah, so this candle I was looking for a double bottom right here, so I fell for that as well. So it just wasn't my day, but I ended up buying in because this candle, when it was during pre-market, it was actually going up and down, up, and it closed that way, but it was going up. So I bought in at 150 for the double bottom right here, but it didn't work out for me, and I ended up it actually did work out for me on that one. So I did end up selling at 155. So I sold up here, right here, got profit there, and I should have just left it. And then I tried again, and I bought the top of, I believe I bought the top of this candle right here to see if it was gonna keep running continuation, but no, I didn't. So then I ended up stopping out somewhere, I think at the bottom of this candle, 150. So yeah, that was my daily recap for today. So, you know, everything else that was popping up on the charts was just too high price for me, like $24. I know Ruby popped up, a couple other stocks, but they're just too high price for me. So I should have just been more patient and waited for A quality setups. But you know, I forced trades that I shouldn't have, and that's the reason why I'm down today. So tomorrow I'm gonna come back and see and do another daily recap for you guys. So thanks for watching.